Web 2 is the current internet we are used to with platforms like TikTok, Twitter and Instagram, with these platforms being highly centralized and have ultimate authority over their users. Web 3 is looking to decentralize these platforms with implementations of blockchain tech. A popular example of a Web 3 application would be your MetaMask wallet, which offers you complete control over your funds through a browser extension or mobile app. There are different aspects of decentralization that various Web 3 crypto projects offer. For example, LivePeer allows for decentralized sharing of video bandwidth with the Ethereum blockchain. Another is the Helium network, which allows for decentralized wireless data sharing through its IoT network. A more conventional Web 3 application is API 3, a decentralized API platform allowing for the creation of trustless applications that interact with the web. In essence, decentralizing any centralized platform available on the current Web 2 would be considered an implementation of Web 3 technology. Enjoying this video? Subscribe, like, and share for new videos. Chances are you're already using Web 3 technology without knowing it. For example, Chrome browser extensions like MetaMask and Solana's Phantom Wallet have millions of users. Web 3 is already a big trend that has gained popularity, and 2022 could be the year of Web 3, as investing in crypto becomes more mainstream, and developers will have more time to build decentralized applications. After all, the current state of decentralized applications is still in its infancy, as we've yet to see highly interactive and complex applications built on the blockchain. The best way to bet on the technology would be to purchase stocks or cryptocurrencies tied to the development or implementation of Web 3 tech. Some top Web 3 coins include Helium, Arweave, and Ocean Protocol, some of which have multi-billion-dollar valuations. Another option is to bet on projects or blockchains to make a good platform for future Web 3 decentralized applications. Ethereum would be the main one, but with its high gas fees, other alternatives like Polkadot might make more sense. Polkadot is a cross-chain communication protocol founded by the Web 3 Foundation. Polkadot's parachain model was created with the belief that the future of Web 3 will involve many different blockchains working together. Enjoying this video? Subscribe, like, and share for new videos. Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood coined the term Web 3 in 2014, when he envisioned a new economy built around blockchain tech where individuals exchanged services with no central authority. The idea of Web 3 started gaining popularity in 2021, when projects like the Helium network and Arweave gained multi-billion-dollar valuations with their decentralized peer-to-peer networks, closely imitating Gavin Wood's Web 3 vision. Enjoying this video? Subscribe, like, and share for new videos. Unlike the metaverse hype that took crypto markets by storm, Web 3 focuses on the tech under the hood that is mainly invisible to the user. Web 3 platforms and coins will take some time to peak in popularity as the technology matures. Web 3 is a marketing buzzword to an extent, but the idea behind decentralizing Web 2 platforms is real. We've yet to see decentralized applications in Web 3 catch mainstream attention. However, as crypto investing becomes more mainstream, users will inevitably realize the power of Web 3.